students, see today we are going to see the grammar part from your lesson, The Lost Chicken. The grammar part on page number 27 and 28. Now we are going to see about that grammar from that lesson. Now in that lesson, what is the grammar part? Verbs. What is the meaning of verb? A word that tells us what a person, an animal or thing does is called a verb. Means whatever the person is doing, yeah, things, animals, what they does is called as a verb. That word is called as a verb. Now see here, example, you can see birds fly in the sky. What this sentence, from this sentence, what you can understand, what about the bird? What the birds are doing? It is flying. They are flying in the sky. Means the birds that are doing the action of flying, that is called as a verb. This word fly is a verb in this sentence. Now see the next one. Now you can see the next one. Dog barks at stranger. Now this sentence, which animal? Dog. And what the dog is doing? What it is doing? It is bark. It barks at the stranger. Means the action of bark. Means it is barking at the stranger. So that this bark word is called the verb in this sentence. Means whatever the person, animals, things they do, that word is called as a verb. Now here see Seema is singing. Now what the Seema is doing? She is singing a song. So that singing is also a verb in this sentence. Understood? Means whatever the actions the person, animal, things are doing, that is called as verb. Suppose I say now the cat is sleeping. Cat is sleeping. That sleeping is also the verb in that sentence. You will know about the cat, what it is doing. It is sleeping. The sun shines brightly. Means what about the sun, you know that it is shining brightly. Again that shines is also called as a verb. Understood? Now the next part in that grammar, see the simple present tense. Present tense means what? Whatever we are doing it at the present. Now suppose now I am talking to you all, isn't it? I am teaching you that I am doing now itself. It is going on. That is called as a present tense. Means what I am doing at present. Now what I am doing? I am talking to you. You are listening to me, isn't it? You all are listening to me. So you are doing the action, means that of listening. You all are listening at present and I am talking. That is called the present tense. What you are doing at present. Suppose at home now you are playing. Suppose you are playing with a ball. Now at now itself means what you are doing at present and you are playing with the ball. The now means at the present what you are doing is called as a present tense. Simple present tense. Now see the example, I eat mango. I eat mango means now I am eating the mango. At the present I am eating the mango. So it is called as a simple present tense. Hari makes shoes. Suppose Hari is making a shoe. You can say that Hari makes shoe. Then mother cooks food. If mother is now, she is cooking. If you are at home now, your mother is cooking food. Means at present what she is doing? She is cooking food. Understood? Now suppose I am writing here. I am writing on the board. Or I am drawing. So what at present what I am doing? I am writing and drawing. Suppose I am writing and drawing on the board. At present what I am doing? I am doing the action of writing and drawing. That is called as a simple present tense. Means what is going on now. Now itself at present what you are doing, that is called as a simple present tense. Now you have to solve the exercise from the grammar textbook. From in this lesson, The Lost Chicken. From the textbook, the page numbers 27 and 28, you have to solve this grammar part.